want to work in the office, in the business field. Oo nga eh, FJ. May Koreano, FJ. May Koreano. Tangina, ubos na talaga pati bulbul, ubos na hayop. And a nice teacher. I see little lazy office. Gago tamad daw ako. Tarantado to ah. Dr. Pepper. No, I'm not that lazy. I'm just sleepy. But sometimes I feel like I'm lazy too. So yeah, you can tell. I can say you can tell. I love Korea. Me too. Oh, thank you so much. Don't don't bother sending me, okay? Office one gossips, rumors, seven coffee. Is that true? Boso! Tarantado. Gago ka talaga, FJ. Tangina mo. Oo, may pamak. Gago, baka sa 3 oras na nagla-live ako, English na lang ako ng English. You're getting trained for that. I don't know, because my mother basically works as marketing. She markets like business. I like hospital beds, like medical supplies. She markets, and I can see she's busy. She doesn't gossip, sits every day, takes 7 coffees a day. It's family business, I see. No, it's not our family business. Just company. Where she works. Yeah, she works with good people and she doesn't like gossiping. Me too. I don't like gossips. I don't like rumors. Spreading fake news. I don't like that because I don't want also to be talked about. Itang inang galing ko English, pre, dire-diretso siya. Tama ba to? Bakit sa school pag kinakausap ako ng prof ko, hindi kami nagkakaintindihan? How about you, Heirong? Did you graduate? Tangina, parang ako nagko-call center. Pasado na kaagad ako dito pag nag-apply ako. Galing ko, tangina, napapatulala ako. Like, ako ba to, ma'am? Galing. Hi, En. Galing ko, Em, no? Lapit ko. Ako lang naman to. Hi, Dos. How about you, Heirong? Are you still in school, schooling, or you graduate? Hi, Dos. Kamusta, Dos? Ito yung mga tipo ko, mga seaman. Ay, charot. Pag recitation, oo, pag sa recitation, utal-utal. Pag dito sa Vigo, tuloy-tuloy. I'm 30. Oh, I see. But you do, ganyan talaga pag Koreano, no? Hindi sila mukhang ano, FJ. Ulul, FJ. Hindi, syempre, ayoko nang ganun magma-market ka. Gusto ko nasa office lang ako. I-screenshot ko nga yung comment ni Star. Isasend ko sa GC. Asan na yung comment? Where's the comment of Star? Office woman gossips rumor. 7 coffee a day. I love that comment. I'm going to save it. English only live. Go! Gumagawan kayong ganyan. I'm 21. Star, you're 9 years older than me, but you don't look like 30. I swear. You look like 25. Is that what Korean people really look like? Eh. No, I'm kidding. No, I love that comment because some of it are true. Ina, kalbo na ako. Prince, hello. Some of it are true. I can tell because, you know, my teachers, my professors were like that. not just office woman. Haru, I like you. Thank you so much. I like you too, guys.